Hello, Block D. Today I'm going to talk to you about my math lesson that I presented during practicum. I used the popular candy Lifesavers to teach the math lesson that taught more than, less than, or equal to, using graphs and charts. Now, a lot of my students were having a really hard time understanding this lesson. They were getting frustrated. So I did my best to teach them. I feel like my lesson actually went really well. All of my children were really responsive and really enjoyed the lesson. I even feel like they all learned something from it, even though one did not quite meet the standards I was trying to teach. If I ever had to teach this lesson again, trust me, there is a lot that I would do differently. One of the first things that I would change about my lesson is the way I organized it. Before any of the students came in the room, I sat down and I organized all the lifesavers by color. Unfortunately, this activity was done at a very small table, so as soon as the students got in the room, they started reaching and grabbing for all the candy. I didn't even have a chance to lay out all my rules and expectations for this lesson. Another thing I would change is my use of ridiculous filler words. Oh my goodness, I never knew how much I said. All right, okay, all right, okay. Just listen to this.
Okay, so like I told you before, okay? Alright, so which one do we... Alright, so this one has... Alright, Amaya, will you count this? Alright, so...
Yeah, you get the point. The location of my lesson also gave a whole bunch of distractions throughout the lesson, such as people walking in,
Hi, Miss Mandy! Hi, Miss Mandy! We're getting a tree. Listen, okay, because graphs are...
My lesson also lasted much longer than I anticipated. In the future, I need to keep a much better eye on the clock. Really, the only technology I used in this lesson was to record the actual lesson. Other than that, the only thing I used was just simple paper and lifesavers. The candy in my lesson was a lot of fun, but if you use it, be careful it doesn't steal the whole lesson. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, Block D. Have a great winter break.